Hey guys, this is Kelly and today we're gonna do a 5-minute glow up video. This is for all you girls that are super bad with time management and you need just that 5 minutes to glow up. So here's a video for you guys. So firstly, we're gonna start off with the ELF Mineral Primer. I really love this primer. I think it actually smoothens out my texture on my skin. And then we're going in with the ELF foundation. So this is one of my drugstore favorite foundation. If you guys want an ELF one brand review, I'm just gonna upload it in 1 week's time. And then I'm going in with this Nabla concealer. I think this concealer is as good as the Tarte Shape Tape one. And then I'm just gonna go in with my Morphe buffering brush. And then next I'm using this LA Girl powder. This is a banana powder that looks exactly like the Laura Mercier one. And the powder is finely milled, so it's really fine and it kind of gives me a very smooth texture on my face. And then next up I'm going in with this KEVYN AUCOIN palette. It has a highlighting shade, a blush shade, and also 3 contour shades. So I think this palette is really handy. You guys can get it at Beauty Bay. It's not sponsored, but I really recommend this palette because it has everything in one. And then I'm going in with this ELF brow gel. This setting spray is a dewy setting spray. And then I'm going in with this Bulgari perfume. You know you need to smell good, right? And next up, I'm finishing this look with my favorite ColourPop Luxe Lips. If you guys haven't seen my swatch test on this ColourPop Luxe Lips, I will also link it on top so you guys can go and see. Last but not least, I'm gonna pop on some lashes because your girl needs some lashes. I'll also pop on some highlight from the KEVYN AUCOIN palette, and this Miracle hair gel stick is amazing. Look at how it really tames my baby hair. So I'll just link everything down below in the description box so you guys can go buy it. So this is my final look and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions or any video suggestions, you guys can leave it down below in my comment box. And remember to like and subscribe. Bye! See you guys in my next video.